welcome back to another video. Now today's video is really exciting because it is for a product which I've loved, and this is by a company called as Govee, and it is basically a LED light strip, a backlight LED strip which auto syncs with your television. And I've used this product for a couple of days now, and I'm really excited to bring this video because I've loved the product. And it is basically an automatic light which is the backlight for your TV, and it syncs automatically with your television set. So I'll explain in a greater depth what exactly that product is. But before that, if you're visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel. Press that red subscribe button, because I've seen many of the people are watching my videos, they are liking it, but they are not subscribing. So please subscribe, and that will motivate me even on a higher scale to bring such videos for you. So without further ado, I'll be taking you through this product and we'll unbox, and also I'll be talking to you regarding this product in greater depth, how to install it, and also at the end of the video I'll be also showing you certain results, like how this product performs on a Qled TV. So without further ado, let's start the video. Let's begin. So guys, this is the box which we get for the Govee TV Backlight T2 version, which is the latest version, and this is for the 55 to 65 inch TV, and it is also available for 75 inch TV and also the 100 inch TV model. So it's a nice colorful presentation from Govee. It's a nice colorful box, and on the box it is mentioned that it is compatible with Google Home and also Alexa. So both the Google Home and Alexa works with this device, and it's a nice colorful box for a colorful LED RGB strip, which is automatic sync strip. So it's a nice presentation from Govee. Now let's see what's inside the box. So the box just slides and open like this. So first of all, you get the presentation of the camera with the brand mentioned over here. So guys, one by one I'll try to explain you all the content which you get inside this box. So let's start. So guys, as you can check, I've emptied the entire box over here, and all these things are present inside this box. And let's start with the basics. Like, this is the barcode and the Govee presentation of their social media. You get this card from where you can scan this barcode and download their Govee app, which is present on both App Store for iOS, and for Android it is present on Google Play Store. So this is the card for that, and you get a quick start guide which shows entirely, it's a big guide which shows entirely how to install this LED light strip on your TV. So it's a quick start guide, and also you get the user manual, which is a detailed user manual of what all components you get inside. And again, it shows the installation of all the components properly on the back of your TV. So this is a detailed user manual. And apart from this, let's come down to the main product, and all these things are the main parts of the product. And this is the main camera module. There is a branding of Govee over here, and this is a nice mesh structure cloth over here, and this is a counterweight. This is given because this can be flexibly adjusted to the size of your TV, and then it is placed on the TV, and this weight acts as a balance. Like, see, now it is balancing because of this weight. So when you place it on the TV, it acts as a balance. So it's really nice. Like, they have added a counterweight. On the initial model this was not present. And this is a USB-C powered camera, and the camera lenses are there over here. One lens is over here and the other one is over here. So two lenses. On the initial model there was only one lens, so this is much more accurate because of the presence of two lenses which sees your screen. So these two cameras lenses continuously monitor your TV screen when you place this camera on your TV or under your TV. There is a relevant adjustment in the Govee app. If you want to place it under, I'll show you how it is done further in the video. And these two camera lenses continuously monitor your TV screen and produces the light in sync with the TV screen on the LED light strip. So on the back side of your TV, what colors are present on the front of the TV, it will be reflected on the back, and it gives a great delightful experience of watching the TV, and because it gives a great depth to the scene which is going around on the TV, and it gives you a immersive experience. So it's a great product, and let's move ahead now. This is the control unit. This is having two USB-C sockets over here, you can see. two USB-C sockets, and one of this socket is connected to the through this USB-C to C wire. It is connected to the camera, and the other socket, USB-C socket, connects to the LED light strip. And this is a really high quality LED light strip over here, and it fits to the size of 55 to 65 inch TV because that is the model I ordered. And this is the USB-C powered LED light strip. It is really high in quality. You can feel that when you hold the LED light strip in your hand. And this is having more number of lighting segments. The LED light strip has more number of LEDs, so it will give you a good brightness. When I install it, I'll show you. And it is a USB-C powered LED light strip. So one of the USB-C pin goes over here, and the other pin is for the camera USB-C. So and this completes the entire setup, and you get the power adapter to provide power to all this setting over here. So these are the main components which you get, for which this product is made. These are all the main components. Now let's move ahead. These are the installation components which you get. This is basically 8 set of foam pieces, and you have to, as shown on the guide over here, you have to install this foam set on the TV like this. The 8 individual foam sets can be installed. In this case, the camera is present on the top center, so you have to install the 7 foam strips on your TV screen like this, as shown on the diagram over here. And you have to adjust the dots which are presented in the Govee app on the individual foam dots over here. You have to adjust these dots to help enable the camera to find the exact size of your screen. So once this is done, this is done only once when you configure the camera app of Govee. This is only done once. So this is just a demonstration how to do it. For that, these foam sticky pieces are given, which are 8 in number, and you are also having this alcohol pad to clean the back of your TV before all this installation is done. And you are having a plastic holder for the LED strip, and 2 3M double-sided adhesive tapes, and these are some more clips for the placing of the LED strip on the back of your TV. So these are all the components which you get inside the box. Now I'll do one thing. I'll install all this on my TV, and then I'll let you see how it is done. So let's move ahead. And also guys, on this control unit, which is the central unit for controlling the entire setup of this LED automatic sync light, you get a power on off button over here, and you get a color changing button over here, and also you get a dimmer switch or the music adjustment switch, which is this third button, and there is a LED light indicator for power indication when the power goes inside this control unit. And this is the place where you install the power adapter after you connect it to your electric supply. So this is something which is very important to power all the set of this automatic sync LED light. See guys, now coming to the back panel of my TV, and this is a 55-inch QLED TV by View, which is View Masterpiece. I have already unboxed this TV on my channel, so you can watch the unboxing of this TV and a detailed review. I'll be posting the link in the I button. And now the entire LED strip, the product has been installed on the back of the TV, and everything which is installed is having a double-sided 3M tape which comes by the company itself. So you just need to stick the LED strip on the back panel, as I've done it over here. It is continuous 55 inches TV. The continuous LED strip is installed, and I've also installed the clip to organize these wires between 2 connecting LED strips. So it is a really nifty thing which comes inside the box, and the entire LED strip, as you can see, it is mounted like on the bottom also over here. It is neatly organized, and here is the control unit, and there are 2 USB connections which is coming inside. One is from the LED strip over here, and one is from the camera unit, which I've kept at the bottom over here. So these 2 USB-C connections are coming inside the control unit, and the entire LED strip, as you can see, it is installed properly. So this is how you need to organize the LED strip on all the 4 sides of your TV from the back. And this is a 55 inches TV, so It is a cut to cut fit, so the size really comes proper inside the box. See guys, now I've installed the foam stickers on the corners for guidance before configuring the app. I've installed these 7 foam stickers at the corners, and at the bottom there is a camera. So now while configuration, you need to connect all the dots on these foam stickers so that the camera gets the exact idea. On the bottom over here, the camera will get the exact idea where are the edges of the TV. So this all needs to be done in the Govee app. So I'll show you that. See now guys, we are starting the calibration now in the app. The left side and the right side of the TV is shown over here in the photograph. Let's start the calibration. Now you see these dots. I need to align these dots properly with the foam stickers. So let's align it. This is what the camera is saying. So I need to align this properly so that the light effects will work properly. See now guys, I've aligned the points properly where the foam is located. Now this is the proper calibration, and when switching to left and when switching to right side, you can just tap and switch and align the points properly. So this is why the foam stickers are required to be installed on the screen to get this reference level for proper calibration of the camera of the LED strip. So guys, this is the interface after calibration of the camera. This is the interface which you get of the app, and first thing when you open the app is just switch the brightness to 50% for the calibration of colors. Switch the mode to video and go to the switch the relative brightness to 100 and go to the color calibration of the LED strip, and switch the mode to part and calibrate the colors. And while you calibrate the colors, you are presented with 2 options, which is saturation and one is white balance. So these both things are very important for the accurate calibration of the LED strip according to the colors on the screen. You need to calibrate the saturation to 30%. This is the best setting which I've got. And the white balance, you need to run a white wallpaper on your TV. You can get that on your YouTube. You need to run the pure white wallpaper on your TV, and after running that, calibrate the white balance setting to the accurate level, like the LED strip on the behind of the TV should reflect the white color, the pure white color which is of the wallpaper on your TV. So you need to calibrate these 2 settings perfectly, and like this setting of the toggle is for my TV, and I'll show you the result. Let's do this done first. Now I'll show you the results. So guys, as you can check, this is the pure white color wallpaper, and the white balance has been set perfectly. On the background also I'm getting white, and the camera is tuned for the colors. So I just wanted to show you this. Now let's see the effects of the color, how you get. As you can check, now I'm running the different wallpapers of colors, and according to the change of wallpapers, the light in the background would change. So just observe now these changes. This is due to the tuning of white color properly. The camera has been tuned for the LED light strips, and now this camera is capturing all the colors and perfectly displaying on the LED light strip background. So this is what you need to do for the perfect calibration of colors. See, it is perfectly calibrated according to the changes of the color. The LED light strip in the background gives you an immersive experience of the content displayed on the TV screen. It is completely calibrated. See, so this is for the calibration of the Govee Backlight T2, the latest version. It has been perfectly calibrated. Guys, now check out this is the color video with this is an HDR10 video running on YouTube, and the color calibration and the sync works perfectly. As you can see, the background LED strips are exactly producing the color which are shown on the screen, and it gives you a really immersive experience. So I'll be leaving you to watch this video to know how the LED light works in a perfect sync for a few seconds. this is the accuracy test. Check the accuracy of the Govee T2, which is the Gen 2 auto sync light, and this is the camera accuracy after the configuration. It works perfectly. As you can check, the sync of the camera with the LED light strip is working perfectly. What colors are displaying on the screen that are displayed on the background as well. It creates a very good effect. It creates a really delightful effect to watch, and it is completely immersive. So you can check it. So that was it, guys. I've shown everything regarding this product. I hope you've liked the video, and basically this product performs really nicely, and the accuracy of the product is also nice. Like I would rate it to the 95% accuracy mark, because if you tune the product well, the product accuracy really works well. And also the app is so comfortable to use, and it is very having no errors, and it is very easy to understand. You can install the product by yourself and tune it really nicely on that easy to understand app. So Govee has done a really good job. Bravo Govee, and please keep on making such products, because this product enriches the experience of watching your television to next level. Like I cannot even imagine now watching a television without this product, because the experience is so good. So this was it, and also I would like to state that this product comes with a camera which is having two lenses, and the previous generation of product, which is the Govee T1, that was having only one camera. So that experience of accuracy on this T2 product, which is the new product by Govee, it is on a higher level than what I had experienced on T1. So that is it. I hope you have liked the video, and you know the regular drill. If you like the video, please do hit that subscribe button, and thumbs would be appreciated. Please do like and share the video with your family and friends, so that they also come to know about this product. And this product is actually very hard to find in India, but if you find it, just go for it, because it is really nice, and it is having complete recommendation from my side. So that's it for this video. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye.